All right, this is the quick review multiplying polynomials. And so be careful. A lot of students believe that you can distribute this squared to both terms. And that's a big mistake. There is a rule that allows you to do that, but that's when the base is a monomial. This base is a binomial. Whenever it's a binomial, trinomial, etc., you cannot do that. So how do you start this problem off? You have to say this is 2a minus 4 times a 2a minus 4. Okay, now all we need to do is distribute. So I know some of you FOIL, but if you learn to distribute binomials, you can multiply any polynomials. 2a times 2a is a 4a squared. Again, that 2a now toward the back term, a negative 8a. Let me grab my blue. Let's distribute the negative 4 now. I finished the front term. I'll do the back. Negative 4 times a 2a is another negative 8a. And a negative 4 times a negative 4 is a positive 16. What happens when you add like terms? 4a squared minus 16a plus 16. Okay? So just distribute. Distribute, distribute, distribute. So now when we have a binomial and a trinomial, or a trinomial and a trinomial, it's no problem, right? We simply distribute. So let's go ahead and distribute the 3x. 3x times a 2x squared is a 6x cubed. 3x times a positive 5x is a positive 15x squared. And 3x times a negative 8 is a negative 24x. Okay, so we finished distributing the 3x to every term in the back polynomial. Now let's distribute the negative 2 to every term in the back polynomial. Negative 2 times a 2x is a negative 4x squared, right, times 2x squared. So that's a negative 4x squared. Negative 2 times a positive 5x is a negative 10x. By the way, notice the way I line up my terms. It's just easier if you line up your like terms. And now a negative 2 times a negative 8 is a positive 16. And now I'm just going to add the columns for my like terms. 6x cubed plus 11 of the x squareds, a negative 34 of the x's, plus 16. And there we go. We multiply those polynomials. Hey, it's really easy. Just be careful. You can make a mistake here or there. You don't want to do that one mistake and you'll get it wrong. And how many operations did we do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we had to add. So 7, 8. So about 8 steps. You got to go 8 for 8. I hope you will. All right. That's multiplying